Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the differences between body scrub and body wash. As you may already know, these are two popular products used for personal hygiene, but they serve different purposes. So if you've ever wondered which one you should be using, keep watching. What is body scrub? Let's start with body scrub. Body scrub is a type of exfoliator that is designed to remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. It usually contains abrasive particles like sugar or salt, which help to slow off the dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Body scrub is typically used once or twice a week and should not be used on sensitive skin. What is body wash? Now let's talk about body wash. Body wash is a liquid soap that is designed to clean your skin. It comes in many different varieties and can be formulated for specific skin types or concerns. Some body washes contain moisturizing ingredients like glycerin or shea butter, while others are formulated to combat acne or body odor. Differences in function. The main difference between body scrub and body wash is their function. Body scrub is primarily used for exfoliation, while body wash is used for cleansing. Exfoliation is important because it helps to remove dead skin cells that can clog your pores and make your skin look dull. Cleansing is important because it removes dirt, sweat, and bacteria from your skin, which can cause breakouts and body odor. How to use body scrub. So, how do you use body scrub? First, you'll want to wet your skin in the shower or bath. Then apply a small amount of body scrub to your skin and gently massage it in circular motions. Be careful not to scrub too hard as this can irritate your skin. Rinse off the body scrub with warm water and pat your skin dry with a towel. You should use body scrub once or twice a week depending on your skin type and sensitivity. How to use body wash. Now let's talk about how to use body wash. To use body wash, wet your skin in the shower or bath and apply a small amount of body wash to a washcloth or loofah. Gently massage the body wash into your skin, paying attention to areas that tend to get sweaty or oily, like your armpits, back, and groin. Rinse off the body wash with warm water and pat your skin dry with a towel. Which one should you use? So, which one should you use? The answer depends on your skin type and concerns. If you have oily skin or are prone to breakouts, you may benefit from using a body scrub once or twice a week to help unclog your pores. If you have dry or sensitive skin, you may want to stick with a gentle body wash that contains moisturizing ingredients. Overall, body scrub and body wash are both important products for personal hygiene, but they serve different purposes. Body scrub is used for exfoliation, while body wash is used for cleansing. When deciding which one to use, consider your skin type and concerns. And remember, always be gentle with your skin and don't overdo it with exfoliation. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time.